My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups that are related to this site, totalblock.net. Totalblock.net is a deceptive site. It now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to force them into downloading and installing a special extension called Total Blocker. The developers indicate that by installing the extension you would be able to block ads, but in reality, instead of blocking ads, this extension actually plays the role of adware. It displays its own ads, not related to the sites that you visit. So we recommend you to treat this extension with caution, Total Blocker, and not to trust these pop-ups by totalblock.net. Just remove any unwanted extensions if they were installed by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions, and then disable and delete any third-party extensions. I also recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.